How you doing? This is Brent from Adventure Time RC. Today I got another little toy grade helicopter to look at. It's Christmas time, picking up some of the toy grade stuff. Paid $12.99 for this one. It's the Syma Speed S5. And it says a 3-channel. It's meant for indoor flight. It's got a built-in gyroscope, a flashlight on the front, and got a lithium polymer battery built into it. First look at this thing, it's a pretty decent looking little helicopter. And it's got a decent looking radio. I was flying it earlier, and the thing I was having is all of a sudden I'd lose control of it. Well, I didn't realize, and I should have, by the lights, the little light bulbs in the front. This is an infrared controller and an infrared helicopter. So if you're not pointing it directly at the helicopter, it will do whatever it feels like doing. So if you purchase one of these, keep in mind. And it also comes with your USB charge port and a spare prop for the back. You got your instruction manuals here. They're pretty in-depth. They explain what's going on pretty well. They don't mention the infrared a whole lot though. And then I was kind of surprised it actually has an exploded view and a parts list here if you want to actually order parts for this. Probably be cheaper just to buy a whole nother little helicopter. But all in all, this isn't too bad for $12.99, and I think some places have them on clearance for around $7 right now. I saw this morning. I'll go ahead and show you how it arms and try to fly it a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't fly away all crazy on us. It's got a little on button on the side. Then you turn your radio on with the main power button. You'll see it link up. Alright. Woo! As long as you keep it pointed out, it doesn't do too bad. Well, there you have it. I mean, it's pretty fun for what you pay for it. It's not very expensive. It's a nice toy grade, and kids would definitely have fun with this. So I wouldn't feel too bad about wasting your money on one of these Syma Speed S5s. Just remember, you've got to keep that pointed at the helicopter or else it does crazy stuff. Maybe I can show you here. Well, I guess it's not going to act up too much right now, but it did when I was getting a little distance away. So just keep that in mind, and thanks for watching, and have a good one. Merry Christmas.